There was the album release with a track that sounded like she was having a pop at ex-hubby Ashley Cole. I cried when I heard you were cheating. I cried when I said I was leaving, she sings. But now, for the first time, Cheryl Cole has finally spoken out about her divorce from the England footballer and, in a twist, has said that she still loves him. The nation's favourite X Factor judge joined Piers Morgan on his ITV series Life Stories and broke down as she talked about her 4-year marriage. But instead of laying into Cole, as many would expect, Cheryl said, "We had a great marriage, the most fantastic wedding, but I just don't know where it went wrong. To this very day, I still question this. Part of me will always love him. When I look back at it now, I just feel numb."
Won't tell anyone how your voice is my favourite song.
But frustratingly, Cheryl wouldn't say whether her friend, Derek Hough, is more than just a friend. Instead, keeping us all still guessing and saying he's an important and genuine person, but that she didn't want to talk about it. Cheryl did talk, however, about contracting malaria. The pint-sized pop star visibly shook as she remembered her ordeal and said, "I thought I was going to die." Fellow bandmates Nicola Roberts and Kimberly Walsh came along to the show for moral support, along with Cheryl's mum.